Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kyle with Southern Style Lawn Care. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Southern Style Lawn Care. And that's all for my social medias now. But today we're coming with you with a nice tool review. Okay. Now you may be asking, what's a tool review? Well, a tool review is when you have two tools up against each other and you're testing them for which one is better. Okay, so today, the first contestant in our tool review is, you can purchase this at Walmart, the 1.5 amp power, 20 volt Hart brushless impact driver versus our 20 volt lithium ion XR brushless Dewalt impact. Who will win? We shall soon find out. So we're back here on the yellow banana, guys. This is my truck. Anyways, like I said, today we're doing our tool review. The first test that we're going to be doing is, we have screws right there above my garage from where we had Christmas lights hanging up. We're going to see which one can remove the screw the fastest, okay, and which one can drill it in the fastest. That's our first test. Let's hop to that. Alright, so we're here back for the impact test. We got our screws here above me. We're going to use this screw, or, this one right here in front of me, actually. So stick it down a little bit so they'll both be fair. So let's go ahead and start with the takeoff with the Hart brand, okay? So let me turn around here. Oh, crap. Hopefully I don't fall.
Don't fall.
Uh-oh. Let's just turn around here. Alright. We're on this stool to make it fair. Alright. Alright. We got it? On there. We got our stopwatch. Let's go. Alright. 9 seconds to take out a screw with the Hart brand. 9 seconds. Now, let's put that screw back in. Okay. Where did our screw go that we just took out of here? Cameraman, do you see the screw?
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Right there.
Thank you, cameraman.
Doing my duties.
Sweet. Scout ball. Alright. Oh, God. That started without me even saying to start. Alright. So to make this fair, I'm going to go ahead and pre-screw that in there just a little bit, so that all I have to do is just hit start on the stopwatch. Alright. Turn forward. And 3, 2, 1. Go! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. A lot of slippage is going on. Alright. 16 seconds minus a few slippage, so we'll give it about 13 seconds. So, yeah. We're going to move on to our Dewalt now, which is just located right here below me. Here's what the Dewalt looks like, in case y'all are wondering. Alright. We're going to use the same screw so that it's fair. Okay? Same screw. Alright. You get it on there. We're using the same exact bit. And 3, Okay, guys. That one does not count. We went the wrong way. All right. In 3, 2, 1, reverse.
I'm pretty fast.
And 5 seconds for the Dewalt to take out the screw. Now,
Super easy.
yeah, my man, I need your help again. I need your special talent. Oh, thank you, cameraman.
Again, doing my duties.
To abide by the scout law.
Yep.
Alright, as you can see, we're going to do the same thing like we did with the Hart. Go ahead and pre-drill it, or pre-screw it in there. Get up here, put it right there. Alright, we're going to restart this in 3, 2, 1. And with 6 seconds, the Dewalt takes the lead in this test. We have more tests to get to, so stay tuned. Alright, so our next challenge, got this piece of wood in the vise, in our mince vise. Alright, we got our circle bit, and we got our actual bit, okay? We're gonna see which one can drill a circle hole faster, and which one can drill an actual hole faster. Okay, and then we'll come through and do our last test of the challenge, which one can screw in a nail with no pre-drawn, or a screw with no pre-drawn holes. So, we're going to first start with the Dewalt and the circle.
I got my money on the Dewalt.
Alright.
Make sure it's the right way.
Get over here, boy.
I'm right here.
I can't see that. Get over here.
Yes, I can.
Okay. 3.
Idiot.
Oh, we need a stopwatch.
Here you go, good sir.
Thank you, sir. All right. 3, 2, 1. And it went all the way through the wood with 16 seconds. 16 seconds.
Better wipe my darn phone off.
It is, buddy. It's okay. It's just a phone. Now,
That's
move
what
on
rich
to the
people
Hart.
say.
I honestly do not think this will be able to do it, but we shall find out. Didn't even start the stopwatch, guys. Gary, you should have started the stopwatch.
I think not.
That one's not fair. Let me turn on a piece of wood around here.
I got it, hang on.
Guys, see our hole? Came out through the bottom there. Oh, turn it around. There we go. Perfect. All right. All right.
Hang on.
You got the stopwatch? You ready?
Hang on.
3.
Hang on.
3, 2, 1. And with 25 seconds, the Hart comes in last place on that challenge. So, as we can see, the Dewalt was way faster on that one. Now, that's an actual drill bit. So, let me see what's over here in my kit. That's nice and fancy. Over here. Okay.
Hey guys, I just want to let y'all know this is the cameraman. He got that Hart impact and a power tool set with a sawzall, drill, impacts included, 2 chargers, and a light for sale. If you want or are interested, hit up in the comments. Say that you're interested in what he wants, and also is on his social media. So if you're interested, you can find it there.
All right.
Anything else you want to add?
No, but we are moving on to the next test. So for this test, we're using a drill bit and an impact, which is not very recommended. So don't do this at home, kids. We are trained professionals that did not go to school.
No, you're not. And stopwatch. Start it.
3, 2, 1.
People.
So, when it comes to drilling a hole, we need a specific thing, which I don't think we have in here. But normally, if I was going to drill a hole, I'd use an actual drill. Which, Dewalt drill versus Hart drill will be coming soon, too. So.
And if he gets a sawzall, Hart sawzall versus the Dewalt sawzall will be coming soon as well. Just thought I'll let y'all know.
Yeah, whenever I do get the sawzall, that will be coming. If I still have the Hart stuff.
Also, if he gets his new weed eater today, it will be coming. That will be coming very soon.
Alright. So, we're not going to do the drill test because we'll save that for the drilling video. But,
We're good.
What we need to do for our last test is see which one can drill a screw in the fastest. So, you guys ready to see that test?
I got my money on Dewalt.
You got your money on Dewalt, do you? Dewalt. Dewalt. Where did my... Oh, here it is. It's in here. Alright.
Oh, my bad. Hey, you're going to have to get that stopwatch and start it.
We got one of these screws. Alright. You put it right here. Come over here. Come over here. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Uh-oh. Bad start for Dewalt.
Yeah, I feel like Hart will have the worst. I don't know.
Alright.
Dang, cracked. That is actually 19 seconds. He stopped it a second later.
19 seconds for the Dewalt. Now,
Hart's gonna have a hard time too, I think.
I feel like Hart's gonna have a real hard time trying to beat that one.
But Dewalt did have a bad start, so...
Yes, the Dewalt did not have a pre-drilled hole because I did not want to make that cheat. That wouldn't have counted. That'd be called cheating. Picking our favorite brand. Which we are totally not biased to any brand. If any tool brands want to send me tools to review, I'll gladly do. Like Ryobi, Rigid, Craftsman, any of y'all?
No, hey, not Craftsman. They suck.
No, don't dash Craftsman. Alright.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Uh-oh.
Hart might take it. Hart took it.
Hart took the win with 17 seconds. 2 seconds before the Dewalt. But, as you remember, the Dewalt one here, taking out and putting in a screw in here.
And
It also won drilling a hole. So Dewalt doesn't really have much of a competitivization. But the other downside to Hart, or the other plus side to Hart, is it did not crack the wood. So this has been the Dewalt versus Hart tool review. Let me know down in the comments which one you think won and what you want to see tested next. Thanks for watching.